Okay, so we're on our way home from Orange Beach, Alabama right now. We stopped at the Louisiana Welcome Center, and here are the air conditioner, or a couple air conditioners that I found. I saw some more too. I'll go film those in a minute. Got a Trane right here. Here's a Ruud, which I've never seen a Ruud in this style before. That's pretty cool. And another Trane. And there's a big spider web right here. Let's duck under it, I guess. Oh, jeez. Alright, 2016 5-ton. This is a 2005 XB12 2-ton. Alright, 2014 heat pump 5-ton. Alright, okay, here's another Trane right here. Okay, it's an XB12 from 2005. It's a 3.5-ton. Okay, here's an AAON right here. It's made in Longview, Texas. Looks like it's from, I don't know. I'll have to look at that when I get home. I don't really have much time here, so yeah. Alright, there's another one over here. Let's go get it. Pretty much the same thing.